Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create page transition in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open a PDF file. Now click on this page thumbnail icon and click right button for your mouse, and here you will find this page transition option. Click here and this transition option. Select any kind of transition you want. I will select this, the lines, and also just says direction. You can make it vertical, that's it all. Also you can make this speed, you can make it fast, medium, also slow. And I will apply all of these pages. Now simply say OK, and this right bottom corner, here you will find this full screen mode. Click here and see this, and press right arrow for the keyboard and click and see this transition. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.